we are coming to pour. We are coming to clean. Oh, pour. Uh, As part of the pond preparation for the hatching, we want to thoroughly clean the hatchery pond. Okay, so we are using common salt, what we call dango. It's a very powerful chemical from Bible times. I mean, time of the prophet up to today. Yes, we use salt for a lot of things. It's a very powerful chemical. It will clean all germs, bacteria in the pond that we are going to use. But we prefer to always dissolve it so that we will not leave residue of the hard one, yeah, in the pond. So we dissolve it to the extent possible. I mean, a bucket like this is okay. Mm. So all has dissolved. Okay, hold it like this for me. Then it's not necessary, but you can just add a little soapless detergent, what we normally call omo, little one, yeah, to make maybe the cleaning thorough. But like the salt alone is okay, but the omo or soapless detergent will also remove some odor, not many or not much, sorry, because it is what chemical, I mean synthetic chemical. So little like this, and then your sponge. So we are going to clean the pond, and then we'll rinse it thoroughly with clean water so that we can start. And we wear our Wellington boots before we enter the pond. Okay, so let's go. Mhm. Get inside. Very good. Now you'll be wearing Wellington boots. What size do you wear? Size 43 or 44? 44. 44. But we don't have 44, so you manage with 43. Yeah. You manage with 40. Going to wash it. But look, you see the under is very clean. Mr. Aziz. So sit here and wear. Okay, you can sit there and wear. Then you enter. So you just be washing the under with the water. Then I'll collect fresh water for you to rinse it. Uh, I want you to do it and I'll be supervising. Then later yourself, you also do it when you are in the house. Exactly. So you can move inside. Okay. Maybe you want the man to take you video with your with your phone. Mhm. Okay. So there's sponge, blue sponge. Then there's white towel. Let me see the white towel. Very good. Then this white towel, bring it. When you finish, we'll use it to rinse it with clean water. Okay. So manage to clean all inside. Put it there. No, put it there. Um, uh-huh. Okay. Very good. Yes. So clean inside thoroughly. Yes. The down is most important because we cleaned it not long ago, just this week to do the hatching. Yes, but we just want to be sure. That's why I'm making you to clean again. Uh-huh. So clean inside thoroughly. Then I'll come and you collect all the water. You collect all the water with this cap and this cap. Then I'll come and put fresh water inside. So mm, but I'll give you another fresh water to use the rag to clean every place dry. Mm, so we want all the salt solution to neutralize. Okay, you can close it now. I'm coming. Pour it somewhere. Pour this water away for me. You can use it to clean it. You can use it to clean the table. Yes. Okay. Put it down. No, put it here. I want to fill it. Yes, you can pour it there. Collect wait. Look at something. Rinse the towel inside. The towel. Rinse it. Rinse the towel. Rinse it hard. Then throw the water away. Throw all the water away. Yeah. No, outside. Outside. Uh-huh. Okay. Now let's fetch fresh water. Okay. So now you can be throwing the water away. Fetch the water out. So when you finish, you use this to clean inside. Yeah. Okay. The small bottle, the bottle cover. Where is it? Yes. So you can use the bottle cover to fetch it. Okay, please. So you can close the tap for me. Okay. Then when you finish, then you close it. Give me small water here. Small water. Put it here. Put it here. So the aerator too, you must make sure it is clean. It's okay. So you just make sure you don't step on it. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Now I'm done with the cleaning. I wash it very well. See the way look like. It's very clean. Even you can drink the water. Please take care of the water. The water need to be very clean as you like this. Thank you.